Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to outline text in Affinity Designer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first thing what we need to do is open up Affinity Designer. Then from here, I've just choose Vector Studio, and then I've just added in a new document here or a new page. So from here, we need to go ahead and add some text. So go ahead and click on the text box here, and now chuck some text in here. All right, so I've just put in some text here. I've made it bigger. I'm actually make it bold as well and italic. Now we can change the font here and also the size and your font style, and we can style it to however we like. So I'm just going to work with this for now. Then from here, go ahead and click onto the text, and now on the right, make sure to select the layer. Then below that, we're going to see an option that says layer effect. So click onto layer effect. Now a little pop-up box should appear like so. Now inside of here, we got different tabs. So you notice there's an outline tab with the second option. So go ahead and click onto that. And to the right, this is how we can add that effect. And now on blend mode, keep that on normal. And then your radius, you can change your radius if you like. And we can change the color as well. So we can change a color like that. Like so, and then layer radius, you can see I'm adding in an outline on that, so you can see it on the page here. Now above the color, we've got alignment, so we can have the outline on the outside, we can have it on the center, we can have it on the inside, we can do solid color, contour, or gradient, so we can muck around with that. But if you want a solid color, keep it like that. So say I want to do outside. Now I'm going to go ahead and click close. Also, we got opacity, so we can change that, as you can see, from 0 to 100%. I might leave that about 70%. Radius, probably 14. That looks quite good. And then from there, once we hit close, you can see that's how to add that outline text inside of Affinity Designer.